The home gym package loop. One more thing, Larry. I think, ladies and gentlemen, my baby boy, Emdur. Giants come in, we need someone to work out there in the background. Not the first time Giants been on the
Get a motherfucking moment of silence for this small crime.
Oh, there he is! Little fella! There he is! That was the year before last. Anyway, Giants up on his big gap year, so he said, I said to him, how much do you want for working here tonight? He said, I'll just have myself. So, fair deal. Good on you, mate. Thanks very much. I'm going to give you one of these. This is the home gym package, Luke. Yes, pedal those kilos away on the Action exercise bike. With compact design, it'll fit into any room. And firm up those tummy muscles with the Ab Circle Pro, where stronger abs in less time. And the Phantom treadmill has heart rate monitor, MP3 and CD player. Just our great friends at Big W and the price is right. And one more thing, Larry. I think, ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen, my baby boy, Emdur. Giants come in, we needed someone to work out there in the background. Not the first time Giants been on the Price is Right. Have a look at the photo, have a look at these. Oh, there he is! Little fella! There he is. That was the year before last. Anyway, Giants off on his big gap year, so I said to him, how much do you want for working here tonight? He said, he'll just take my salary. So, fair deal. Good on you, mate. Thanks very much. I'm going to give you one of these things. This is gym package loop. Yeah, pedal those kilos away on the Action exercise bike. With compact design, it'll fit into any room. And Circle Pro, the stronger abs in less time. Heart rate monitor, MP3 and CD player. Big W and the price is right. And one more thing, Larry. I think, ladies and gentlemen,
than money.